In today's challenge, we've got a tricky but fun problem to solve. We are starting with data spread across 5 columns, and our mission is to reshape it into 3 neat columns by arranging every 3 consecutive cells in a row. Sounds interesting, right? Let's break it down and solve this step by step using Excel's powerful dynamic array formulas. We need to start by combining all the data into a single array. And for that, we will use TOCOL function. Here is how it works. TOCOL function takes data from a range and turns it into a single column. TOCOL organizes it into one continuous list, making further processing much easier. But here's the problem. Some empty cells show up at the end of our table. We don't need those. Fortunately, TOCOL function has an optional second argument where you can tell Excel what to do with blanks or errors. By setting this argument to 3, we can filter out all empty values and errors in one go. Now that we've got one single array, it's time to break it into 3 columns. Here comes the magic, the WRAPROWS function. WRAPROWS takes a single array and splits it into rows, but you control how many columns each row gets. So let's wrap our array into rows with 3 columns each. And done. Look at that, our data is perfectly arranged into 3 columns, just as we wanted. But what's a table without headers, right? To add headers, we will use the VSTACK function. It stacks arrays vertically, which is perfect for combining our column names with the reshaped data. Inside the VSTACK, define the headers using curly brackets. For example, date, product ID, quantity. Below the headers, stack the reshaped data array. And there you have it, a fully reshaped table with headers. If your data includes dates, numbers or text, you can format these columns to make them look more polished. Excel's formatting tools are right here to help you tidy things up. Now, this formula-based method is fast and flexible. But what if you are dealing with tasks like this regularly? That's where Power Query shines. Power Query allows you to automate these transformations without breaking a sweat. If you want to learn more about the Power Query solution, check out the related video on my channel. I'll walk you through it step by step. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.